Hi everybody. Today I would like to show you how to replace the cabin air filter on a 2011 Ford Fusion. I think there's a few more years that this covers, but I'm pretty sure that I don't think this one's ever been changed. So I know we bought it used and I haven't changed it since we got it. So I'm gonna remove and replace it. So if you're interested in that, please stick around. In order to do the cabin air filter change, you're going to need a regular screwdriver and the filter. Right here's the cabin air filter I'm going to use. I found it Pure later. They didn't have Motorcraft at the auto parts store. So the filter that they indicated was required for my 2011 Ford Fusion is C36099. Hopefully that's the one. Okay, the cabin air filter is behind the glove box. So to get to it, you have to first remove the glove box cable here. Right here. And once you get that done, then you can get to the actual access panel for that. So let me use two hands to get this belt off of here. Thank you. Once you have it disconnected, then you need to push on both sides of the glove box to lower it down completely out of the way. So you push in on this side and you push on right here. If I can get you there. And once you get them both pushed in enough, it'll fall right. Once you get the string out of the way, which comes off of that right there, so you can see how it has to come off right there. It just latches under there. And then you have to push both sides of the glove box in to get it to come all the way down. So you just push on both sides and it'll fall down out of the way. And then the air filter goes in this area right here where it says filter. It's amazing. So you have to unclip it from both sides, left and right, to get that out of the way. So let's do it. And it just pulls. I'll show you it when we get it down, but it just pulls. I can't get my arm in it from this direction. Nope, move. It just pulls. It's got a clip on the end. Nothing magical. You just gotta pull on it to get it to come out. It's got a little latch on. There you go. So that one's done. And this one's gonna come, but I gotta use both hands. Again, two hands. Can't do this one-handed, so just 1 second. All right. You can use the screwdriver to go into this clip right here and then pull out. So that pulled that one out. And then this one, same way. Get it in there and then just pry it out. And then I'll get that clip undone. So I think I got it. Now, let me use two hands. All right, I got both clips undone. So now I can get this out of the way. Hopefully it is unhooked. Okay, there we go. So let me show you the clips. There's a clip. It's nothing major. It's just a clip. And there is the dirty old filter that we're taking out. This comes straight out right under this. Ooh, it's dirty. Dirty, dirty, dirty. There it is. Just comes straight out. Look at all that dirt. It's catching on over here. There we go. Holy dirty. Look at that. It's been in there, what, 7 years? Look at all that shit that came out of it. So yeah, it was time to change it. All right, so that's crazy. There's the lid. Let's take this one out of the box. Ooh, look at how nice and clean this is. Just to give you a comparison, it's got all sorts of stuff brand new clean. So let me get this one in, and that's all there is to it. Just a second. Look at that. Made in the USA. All right, to reinstall it, since it was catching on something in there, mostly that cylinder, which I'm not quite sure what it is. I'm gonna fold the right side ear this down, and here, I'll show you, and then I'm gonna reinstall it, but I need two hands. So I'm gonna fold this end over so it'll slide in a little bit easier. So give me a moment and I'll put that in there. And there it is in. It is extremely simple to get that in there. I folded that down and it went in there like nobody's business. So now I'll put the cover back on and the glove box back in, and we'll be done. All right, I got the door back in, the cover anyways, I mean. And now I have to reattach the cord, or actually I got to put the cord back on, and then we will finish it up. All right, I got the string back on, got the cover back in, got the glove compartment box back in. So now I just got to put all the papers back in the glove box and we're done. So if you have any questions regarding this, please put them in the comment section below. And if it helped you out, please like and subscribe. I appreciate it, and have a great day.